At present, we see that so many people are using the pirated softwares either for their own benefits or for commercial purposes, that is, to sell it and earn the profits, or else to use it in creating something and selling that to earn the profits. So, is this permissible? Firstly, if the owners and inventors of the program have stated that it is copyrighted, then that is not permitted to make copies of it for personal or public use. Then the basic principle is that this condition of theirs should be fulfilled, because the Prophet ﷺ said, the Muslims are bound by their conditions. And Prophet ﷺ said, whoever reaches a permissible thing, that is permissible to anyone, whoever reaches that thing first is more entitled to it. This is what was quoted as evidence by Sheikh Ibn Abbas, may Allah have mercy on him, in his fatwa with the standing committee. This is supported by the fact that copyright of writings, inventions and products and other tangible and intangible rights are guaranteed, and it is not permissible to transgress against them without the permission of the owners. That includes tapes, discs and books. Undoubtedly, those who produce tapes and discs have put time, effort and money into producing them, and there is nothing in Sharia to prevent them from taking the profit that results from this work. The one who transgresses against their rights is wronging them and consuming their wealth unlawfully. Moreover, if it were permitted to transgress against these rights, these companies would stop producing and inventing things, because it would bring them no profit at all, and they may be able to pay their employees. Undoubtedly, if this work were to cease, people would be deprived of a lot of good. So it is appropriate that the scholars have issued fatwas stating that it is haram to transgress against these rights. Secondly, if there is no statement that it is not allowed to make personal copies, then it is permissible to make copies for personal use but not for profit. Sheikh Muhammad ibn Salih al-Uthaymeen said concerning this issue, this should be dealt with according to custom. If a person wants to make a copy for himself and the one who initially wrote it did not state that it is not allowed to make personal or public copies, then I hope that there is nothing wrong with that. But if the person who initially wrote it stated that it is not permitted to make personal or public copies, then it is not permissible at all. Thirdly, what we have mentioned in either case is the general ruling with regard to principles, but there may be some cases in which it is permissible to make copies without permission of the owners. That applies in two cases. Firstly, if it is not available in the marketplace and one needs it, and the copies are for personal use or charitable distribution and they are not going to be sold or profited from. And secondly, there is a special case where the producers themselves allow the people to use the pirated software. They themselves allow people to sell the pirated software. Why do they do that? That's because they want people to use the software freely and get addicted to that. When the people get addicted to that, they will demand it more in the future. When people are completely dependent on that, there comes a time where the company can dominate the world. What they will do is, once they will ban all the pirated softwares, and as they will be dominating the world, they'll get the chance to quote the high price for their softwares. So that's why they are doing it. Whatever it may be, when they are allowing us to use the pirated softwares, if it is their marketing strategy, then it is permissible for us. There is no harm in it. And Allah knows best.